This video is going to be a short video on the unboxing of my Mighty Max battery that I ordered off Amazon from my Predator 3500 inverter generator. I've had that bad boy about 5 years now and never gave me a bit of a problem. I think I put one plug in it and changed the oil about 2 or 3 times, and it's only got about 150 hours on it. Really good. Automatic start. So this battery's lasted about a year and a half, 2 years. Very little use on it. But for under 30 bucks, I'll put a link on my description we'll unbox this. Comes wrapped real good. It was packaged real good. It comes with the extra bolts if you need them. I basically just use what I have already. We're going to see what state of charge that it came in. 13.67 volts. That's full charge, guys. That's awesome. Turn that off. That's cool. Well, if you need one, like I say, I'll put a link to Amazon in the description. Under 30 bucks. Can't beat it. This video is going to be about installing the new Mighty Max battery into the 3500 Predator inverter generator. This will be the third time I've done this, but I've owned this generator over 5 years. These batteries appear to last not quite 2 years, but for under 30 bucks compared to locally what they cost here, $57. I'm happy paying under 30 bucks for this on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. Get either a flathead or a Phillips screwdriver. This battery, I did an unboxing video on it. It came full charged. I tested the volts, 13. And you just pull the little cover off, and you're going to pull this strap down. Kind of roll this out a little bit like that. And it actually comes with new screws, but I just use what's on here. Phillips screwdriver. And of course, you want to take that. Take the ground off first, and then when you put the new one on, you're going to reverse it. Put the positive on first. This battery I marked it. Pretty cool. June 27, 23. So a little over a year and a half old. I need to mark the new one then, I reckon. All right. Here's the bag of the new one. Bolts and nuts. Came in the box. Oops. All right, let's see today's date. February 26, 25. 2/26/25. Just reverse how you take it out. Pull these safety covers off. I actually got 2 boards under here, just kind of elevated a little bit. I currently don't have a shop table. I got rid of my big shop, and I don't have a shop table at the moment. With it. All right. We'll put this. We'll just do one at a time here. Tighten it down real snug. Put safety cover back on the positive. Get the nut for this one, slide it in. Somebody asked me, I don't know why, they should have got new nuts with it. They asked me what size these bolts and nuts was, and I really didn't know. Actually, you can make it a little easier if you slide those covers back a little bit, which I didn't do it this time, but I do remember doing it last time. But it works fine. Tighten it down good. Hold this with your finger so it don't spin around. Strap. Make sure you don't go under the wire there, go over the cable. Push it back under. And this is going to go back down here. I'm going to put this back on, the cover back on. And 10-minute job tops. All right, let's see if she cranks. I'm going to put it on start. And then, there it is. Yes, sir.